Welcome to Tom's Tech Notes. This video is in playlist How to Use the Shure SM35 mic with a Computer. This video shows how to mount the SM35 mic and your headphones on your computer desk so they can be easily used separately or together and can be easily removed for use away from the computer. You will need to change the steps in this video if your desk setup or microphone are different, but I hope this video will give you some valuable tips. The mic and the headphones are mounted so that they will reach your head while seated at the computer, and the cables do not reach the floor where they'd be a trip hazard when the mic and headphones are hung up. Here's the steps that you need to go through to mount the mic the way it is here. Remove the computer from the niche, unhook the XLR cable from the preamp, but leave the microphone connected. Clip the preamp over the end of the pipe. Drill a hole through the pipe so that the hole is just past where the clip comes inside the pipe. Hold everything up assembled with the mic and the preamp and the pipe. Hold it up against the side of the niche. Raise it up so that the cord connecting the microphone to the preamp, and that's these two cords here, raise the pipe up until these do not touch the floor, because they'd be a trip hazard if they did. So position this so that they don't reach the floor, and also leave enough room so that they don't interfere with the drawer if there's a drawer above where it is. Holding it in position, insert your drill through the hole and against the wood and drill enough of a hole so that you know where the screw will go. Then take everything out of the way, drill that hole with a bit the size that the screw will tightly thread into. Drill that hole either all the way through or almost all the way through the side of the niche. The drill and bit will probably not fit in your niche, so you'll have to use a right angle attachment for your drill. And then all you have to do is mount the pipe on the side of the niche with the screw. Snug up the first screw, then drill a second hole through the pipe and niche about 3 inches from the first screw toward the back of the niche, and tighten the second screw. This video shows the Shure X2U XLR to USB adapter. The mounting steps also work well for the MXL mic mate adapter. I prefer the MXL adapter because of a ground problem in the X2U XLR cable socket. See the first video in the same playlist. Shure SM35 mic, the best microphone for home recording. Lay the X2U adapter on the floor of the niche. Stuff the XLR cable between the computer and the side of the niche. Tie the USB cable from the X2U up so that it doesn't present a trip hazard. To mount the headphones, screw a 1-inch diameter wooden dowel that's 2.5 inches long to the side of the desk with a long general purpose screw. Countersink the hole so the screw head will be below the surface of the end of the dowel. Wrap the headphone cord around it once and secure with a loose cable tie. Adjust the cable loop so that the headphones will reach your head when you're sitting at the computer desk. Tighten the cable tie. Cut off the excess length. If the cord from the headphones to the computer drags on the floor, wrap it up shorter so that it doesn't. It wasn't necessary on mine. Mine came right down to the computer and was not extra long. And remember, the important thing is make sure that the headphone cord from the loop to the headphones doesn't drag on the floor. If it does, it'll be a trip hazard. To use the microphone or the headphones, just pick them up, place them on your head. When you're using both the mic and the headphones, put the microphone on first, then the headphones. Take them off in reverse order. Take the headphones off and then the microphone. That way you won't get the cables tangled up. To remove the mic for use elsewhere, just unplug the preamp from the pipe, unplug the USB cable, and pull everything out beside the niche. To unhook the headphones so you can use them elsewhere, just unplug the USB cable and slip the loop off the end of the dowel. This video is in playlist How to Use the Shure SM35 Mic with a Computer. These are the videos in the playlist. This video shows why I think the Shure SM35 mic is the best mic for recording and shows how to connect it to your Windows computer. The second video is this video. The third video shows how to set the mic preamp gain and Windows recording level for recording or editing videos when your mic has a preamp. It also shows how to set the Windows recording level when your mic does not have a preamp. If you enjoyed this Tom's Tech Notes video, please like it and please leave a comment. To watch my other videos or to read many computer help articles, please visit my YouTube channel or my website. You can also click links in the video description. When thumbnails appear, click the thumbnail at upper left to watch other videos related to this one. Click at lower left to watch a video specially recommended for you. Click my photo to visit the Tom's Tech Notes channel. To subscribe, please click the red button. If you don't see the red button, hover over my photo to show it.